Bible says to honor your father and mother, but the Bible also says for parents to not provoke your children to anger. So don't just quote one verse and not quote the other, man.
I ate the best fried chicken in LA, and this is what I ordered.
I'm getting cheeky with a rifle. I'll pull the trigger with my eyes closed, hoping to hit you somewhere vital. And when I miss, you come and kiss me with a smile.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who do you know here? Yeah, you're good. Come on in. What? Where are we going? What are you doing? Can I come? I can come? Ow, I think I just broke my ankle. I should probably sprint it off. Hey, is everything okay? You've been in the bathroom for like 45 seconds.
Hey kids, look what I got.
Dad, what is this? That's just regular boring ass pizza. Dad, more like dork. No wonder Mom left with pizza like this.
You're a joke.
Hey kids, look what I got.
Say goodbye to boring-ass pizza. Snag a dad win with Domino's new Sauce Bottom Pizza.
My mouth is blown.
The sauce is on the bottom, so it can slam your flavor buds faster.
You know what? I'm glad Mom left.
This pizza is so good. Dad, I'm gay.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Also, try our jalapenos poppers, only at Domino's.
Mommy and Daddy, look at my results. I got 90%, that's almost no faults. 90 from 100, I am so impressed. Daughter, you really aced this test. Something seems up, aren't you dumb? I am not dumb, I am a stupid bum. Be honest with us, did you draw the zero? No, I didn't, because this time I am the hero. Then let's see what the lie detector says. I didn't draw the zero, no need to stress. She didn't lie, but how? My sister was always dumb. I didn't draw the zero, but fine. I kinda drew the 9.
What in the T-movie?
Counting to 50 challenge. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 30, 37, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50! Yeah!
Oh shit, little girl.
Dad. Wake up. Remember you said you were going to drive me? All right, we got to go. Like, now. Oh, my God. Dad. Come on, bro. We got to go. Yeah, let's... Don't do it. No. Oh, my God. Bro, I'm just going to ask Mom. Mom? Mom. So listen, I tried waking Dad up first, but he wasn't wake. Okay, I'm up. What?
Wait. Remember to eat. Remember to drink water. If you're mentally ill, fix that.
Hope your day gets better.
Shut the fuck up!
Positive energy.
Oh my God. Oh.
Follower thinking I forgot him.
Thank you for being here.
Mommy, answer!
I have the fastest fingers in the world. Watch this. Bam! Oh! No one can beat that. No one can beat that.
Mom, I'm telling you, the keys are not there.
You gotta go and make him sorry.
What am I wearing on my head? I found a bunch of these in my grandmother's closet and I thought they were like super cute and vintage. Did you know in the 20s they used to listen to music with these things? Yeah, isn't it cool? Didn't even know. Oh, I'm listening to Doja Cat. You don't know who Doja Cat is? I hate this generation. I was born in the wrong generation. No one understands me. Look at these new lights I got. They're like super vintage. Everyone in the 20s had them. It's not fair. I hate school. I wish we were in a global pandemic. Did you know the kids in the 20s got to like skip school for 2 whole years? Look how many more headbands I found in my grandmother's closet. My presentation about the 20s is on an app called TikTok. So TikTok was very popular during the 20s and there was this girl, Charli D'Amelio. She was basically the icon of the entire...
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Don't slam my door. I'll slam whatever I want. Well, I'm getting a boob job.
Oh, don't even go there, you whore.
Stop eating! That's why you're fat!
And how you're going to be using it in class. So be sure to open a laptop. What was that? Who watched something inappropriate?
Damn. 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 Damn.
There you go. Enjoy your... So you're not a robot, are you?
No, I'm not.
Well, keep your eyes peeled. They're everywhere.
911, what's your emergency? What do you mean he hit you? Girl, him up. Don't be stupid. Yeah, look, beat his ass and just say it was self-defense. Oh, he got a gun? Yeah, let me send the police. Can you confirm your address, please?
Those guys wish they were us.
Oh, okay. But at least we aren't that guy. Well, at least I'm not you-know-who.
Words can hurt. 2, 3? No. 4, 5? No. 6, 7? Yes, she's just a baby.
Mr.
Say your name whenever you're ready.
Marcus Weaver.
Taser, taser, taser.
Go to bed! Don't even think about going to the comment section and typing no. Don't do it. Don't you frickin' dare, I swear.
McDonald's triple cheeseburger and Coke. I swear this is actually so good.
No.
No, this can't be. Oh, no.
Don't stop. Go on.
No, I can't laugh yet. I've got to hold it in.
We don't need that, my man. You know what? We don't need this. We don't need that. Why? Because we the best player in the game, and that's facts. Yo, we need that.